You crazy. Loco. You loco. YouTube, Vine Hill, man. We out here in the cold, bro. We down south Louisiana. We finally got some snow, man. It's crazy. It's about 6-7 inches of snow. We didn't get snow in years, like. But I don't think we ever got it like this. Like, look at this, bro. Look at this. Look how deep it is. Oh my goodness, bro. That's crazy. We not used to this. So everything closed today. We down south, so we not used to this cold, bro. I don't like the cold, but I'll take it if it come with snow. So just walking out here in the snow, man, enjoying it, because we don't know when we're gonna get this again. It's like a once every 10 years probably. I ain't gonna say once in a lifetime, because it's probably gonna happen in a few years, but bro, it's crazy. Like, it was coming down hard, didn't it? Stop now. But that sucker was coming down hard for hours. It's cold out here, y'all. Feel like we up north somewhere. Feel like I'm on vacation or something. It don't even feel real. Like, I'm about to show y'all DJ playing in the snow. And my wife there in the front. Man, it's definitely not used to this cold. My feet is freezing. I got 2 pair of socks on, 3 pair of pants, like 3 jackets. But it's just my feet cold. And I got some boots on. But I'm about to show y'all them.
How much snow we had right here?
Dada, you see the snow?
About 5 inches.
Oh. 5 inches, yo.
What it do, baby?
They think it's
25. You got that snow coming down. It's live.
for real, boy. Oh my goodness. Look how thick it is on the roof. Dada, what you making? A snowball? Yeah, Mama Sweeties don't know what she doing. Make a snow angel. What you about to do?
I'm about to build a snowman.
They're on the backyard.
She about to make a snowman.
Oh, good luck.
It's gonna take forever.
It's cold.
Yeah. Lou, what you doing, Lou?
Making a snowman.
Oh, you making a snowman? Yeah, we was riding the 4-wheelers. Got the fire right here. Chill out, son. You don't have no more kids.
Leave this bitch. Ooh, it's the next snow day. Next year.
Next 10 years.
Oh man, we get some snow next year or something. Tell me.
Boy, we is not getting no snow next year. If we get snow next year, that'll be crazy. But it ain't never been like this, bro. Oh my goodness. Got the truck looking like a cyber truck. Oh my goodness. Sucker dick. Dang. Crazy. Definitely not used to this. Hands throbbing. Put my glove back on.
Oh, it's not freezing me.
Hold on, y'all.
Now, what do you call it?
Hold the camera.
Hey! What's up, guys? What?
I'm about to put this in my bucket, okay?
Not the whole thing.
I'll put that here right now.
Our first snow day as a married couple.
Guys, it's freezing out
Make a
here.
thumbnail. Let's see.
Huh?
Let's see if we can make a thumbnail. What are you doing? You like the snow, Dada? You wanna go move up north, Dada, for the snow? Buckers.
Look, over here.
Looney
Hey,
Tooney.
hey guys, I'm just playing in the snow. It was so much fun playing in the snow, and I liked it. And my dad woke me up early, and me and my cousin,
Babe, he took his glove off.
Oh, why you take your glove off? Yeah, thumbnail. I should go throw it at her, huh? I should go throw it at her. Watch. Hold on, she looking, hold on. I'm about to throw it at her, y'all. Hold on. Y'all ready?
Wait, please.
You know you can't run. Ah! Ah! Oh, miss! I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Let me set the camera up to y'all. Let me set the camera for you. I'm about to get her. Stop, I quit.
Last one. You ready?
I quit. Gotta have fun while we can. I don't know when it's gonna melt. Might melt tomorrow. Well, no, it's gonna be too cold. Bro, it's gonna be like 17 degrees. Right now it's like 20-some degrees. And that's crazy. We're in Louisiana, bro, down south. By the night it's gonna be in the teens, for sure. Tomorrow it might be icy.
So pretty.
It is nice though. All we need is a good 2 days of it. Good 2 days, we'll be tired of it. Dooney dooney.
We're both swim.
It feel like
Alien words.
What again?
Oh, that's what, yeah.
It's hunting season, girl. You might get shot. Gotta go back in.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's crazy. Stand right here. Maybe we can get a better thumbnail. Go ahead, Lou. You need some help?
Yeah. Oh, thanks.
Here I go.
Appreciate that.
It's so hard to flip the thing with this,
Yeah, it's so hard.
these gloves. It snowed in Louisiana, bro. Can't believe it. Let me show y'all. Snow. It's crazy.
I was making a snow angel.
Gotta enjoy every bit of it. Definitely not used to this. My dad sweet is back outside.
Hey, baby.
They're taking some pictures.
Mommy coming.
Jackson!
You can't move. Cause he got scared.
Come on. Look, DJ. Look right here, John.
Hey, cool, huh?
Yeah, if I please let him use his body to slow it.
Go ahead, throw some snow at me. I already told you you can't move.
Oh, see, D?
It's snowing! Jackie Jack, you experienced with the snow, huh?
Oh, they got some mail.
Jackie, well.
Come on.
We got mail.
Girl!
Uh-oh.
All defined. Here we go. Here we go. Come on.
Wait.
John.
Mama.
Oh, you can't run. Got it. I can't see. Oh, hold up now. Boy.
You been around that water.
Don't you do it, Lou.
Hey.
Hey.
And see you. Do the Jordan thing, Johnny. Not my 2K.
1, 2,
I'm gonna call
3.
him later. 1, 2, 3. Look, Nanny. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.